Good morning, everyone. This is like a good change of scenery. It is Tuesday morning and I'm sitting outside enjoying the weather. I'm doing work on my computer. It's about 9:45 in the morning. I'm out here. My dog, my little puppy Jody, is playing with wood chips. And I just uploaded a video. So I am gonna continue doing work and stuff. I know I am going to Ikea later today to furniture shop and stuff, and maybe go to Home Goods. I'm not really quite sure yet, but I'm gonna take you guys along for whatever we do. I know I have to go to my sister's house to go watch her puppy for a little bit. She got a puppy on Sunday, which is another Boston Terrier. It's like we're freaking big fans of Boston Terriers over here. But I'm just sipping my coffee and I'm probably gonna watch a couple of YouTube videos, answer some emails. That's it. I have no more schoolwork to do, so it's just work from now on. Okay, I just finished doing all my work. It's now 11 a.m. I love getting stuff done early in the day. It really honestly makes my day. Now I'm gonna hang out with Allie sometime today. Let me put you over here. I'm gonna hang out with Allie sometime soon. I don't know what we're doing. I think we're gonna go get lunch, but I don't know what that entails. And I think we're gonna go get our nails done as well. As you guys may or may not know, I broke this pinky nail and it's slowly going back, so I'm wondering if like they're able to put a tip on that or something, or like what they can do. If anything, I'll just like put a band-aid over it and just get the rest of my 9 fingers done. So I have no idea what they're gonna be able to do. I have to figure out plans and everything. I have to figure out, because I have to go take my sister's dog out of her crate at around 2, like 1:30 or 2. So I'm trying to like think about time, since that's like right smack dab in the middle of the day. So I'm trying to think about like when I can do what. So I'm thinking we eat first, go to the dog, and then go to the nail salon. So that's what I'm gonna tell Allie. Tomorrow I need to film a bunch of things. I need to film a lot of brand deals tomorrow, because I have a lot of campaigns coming up. Hold on, let me answer this one email and then I'll get back to you. So Jody is sleeping, so I have to kind of be quiet. But I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm just gonna put on some light makeup and stuff and put on an outfit. Trying to debate whether I want to wear this shirt. This is just like a plain, like a white tank. I just tucked it into my bra a little bit. Or I have this one from Yes Style, but it's like a corset-y. I think I'm gonna go towards that one. This one kind of just looks like lazy. So I think I'm gonna wear the other one actually. Okay, we're off to lunch. We're going to CPK. That's like our spot when Allie's home. It's so good. I'm gonna try to get some Instagram pics, because I have been off my game when it comes to Instagram. I don't know what's going on. I've just been so stressed out with finals and everything, and last weeks of school, and I had so many pictures to post, like for a period of time where I didn't take any pictures because I had so many to post already, and then that time came and went, and now I have literally zilch to post. So hopefully Allie can take some cute pics of me at lunch or something. Yeah. maybe that will work out. So I'm gonna pick up Allie and I will see you guys there. I forgot to vlog lunch, but now we're getting our nails done. I have a broken nail, so we'll see how that handles everything. Okay guys, these are the nails. They look like this. They look like lava. Here, I'll show you. They're so cute. She shaped them a little funky to where they kind of like stand up, if you know what I mean. Like the tips kind of like go up. Don't love that, but I guess it doesn't really matter. She took like a huge discount off for me. And I didn't even say anything to her, so she was really, really sweet. So, love you, Phoebe. So yeah, going. This doesn't match my outfit whatsoever, but I kind of vibe with it. I'm gonna meet my friends at my boyfriend's house, and we're gonna go to Ikea today because if you guys are new here, I am moving out in July and August. Well, late July, early August. You need furniture, obviously. So we're gonna go look at Ikea for couches and just like cheap stuff that like we can buy, like silverware or whatever the f, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm trying to say. Just little things that we can get because Ikea is really inexpensive. I will do that. I will also do a haul when I get home about what my boyfriend and I bought at Target yesterday, which is really exciting for our bedroom. Not much, it's kind of just staple things, but it's still exciting to me. Okay, I will see you guys with my friends at Ikea. We're going to Ikea.
Ikea's shit show.
Trying to find a couch, and these are just, I mean, they look good, but then when you sit down, I just like,
Look at us tall folk.
I'm like watching TV. I don't know, it just feels so low. I feel like we're gonna have to go to like an actual furniture store, like
Jerome.
living spaces or something like that. I feel like Ikea is like made for like single family homes or like just like two-person places, you know?
I don't think I'm ever gonna be playing video games either.
I'm vibing with my nails.
I don't think so. You know why I don't?
Hey guys, it is 10:45 at night, and I'm on my way home from hanging out with all my friends. I didn't really vlog much, but we went to Ikea. We went back to Kate's house. She made Gigi Hadid's like famous like pasta or whatever. It was so good, you guys. I definitely want to like learn to cook that because it was really, really good. I just like want to be like, I just want to cook. I think I've decided this whole time, like me living at my mom's house, is just like, oh, like she makes the dinner or whatever, but like I want to cook and I want to know, like I don't know, it's hard to explain without sounding absolutely dumb. Yeah, my voice is so tired. If you guys haven't watched my last vlog, I lost it. So it's like trying to come back. Every day it's better, but today it was just a little deep. So I think it'll be back in like a day or two. So I just need to get some beauty sleep. Anyway, so we ate dinner. Let me explain more. We ate dinner and then the boys went to go jacuzzi over at somebody else's house. And then us girls just stayed and talked and whatever. But yeah, it was really fun. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys, oh, I've left all the things at Kate's house. So we're like storing a bunch of the things at Kate's house, but I'll do a little haul of what I got from Target yesterday. I'll do that tomorrow morning. So I will see you guys then. Okay, hi guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the Target haul. It's a few days later, but I didn't want to not include this haul. So these are all things I got from Target a few days ago with my boyfriend. These things I bought, and I feel like I want to change the aesthetic of the bathroom for my apartment. I think I want to go for not masculine necessarily, but just like not so girly vibes to kind of I mean, these are all pretty neutral, so I guess it's not really girly. But let's just start off with bedding. We got a brand new bedding set. And this has been my dream bedding set ever since Lauren Giraldo got it. And ever since she moved into her Arizona house. This is the Casaluna line from Target. It is a really good line. It's fairly expensive, so do what you will with that information. So this is the linen bed comforter set. We have a queen size bed. This is just white. It comes with 1 comforter and 2 standard shams. We just wanted like a very clean look with white, you know. I have cream now, so I'm like, let's just like have it new, whatever, it's gonna be nice. So this is like about 120, 140 bucks for this set. So it's pretty expensive for a bedding set, but it's like really good quality, and I've been also wanting it forever. I told myself that I would buy it for my first apartment. Then we got 2 pillows because little inside scoop, Q drools really bad when he sleeps, and so I don't want to take his pillows to the apartment, so we just got brand new ones. So yeah, this is an overfilled pillow. I like my pillows like fairly like not stiff, but like just firm a little bit. We got 2 of those, and then we got a sheet set. This is just like a Target brand, like the Room Essentials one. I want to get some from Costco because I heard those are really good too. They're just white to match the white. Then we got a toothbrush holder, and this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying like I want to change the vibes. This is like a gray beige, like a grayish toothbrush holder, but I'm thinking for the bathroom that I want it to be like blacks and stuff, like black toothbrush, like black accents basically. So I am still debating on that. I'll probably just like move in with that, you know, like in kind of, I mean the whole apartment is gonna be like a process, so nothing I'm gonna have like right away. So then we got a shower curtain. Excuse Jody, she's outside wanting in. This is just the Threshold brand, and it's just white, and it has like a little bit of like, is this ribbing? I don't know. Let me let Jody in, hold on. Say hi to the camera. Little update on how big she is. She's getting a little chunky. She's a chunky girl. So yeah, I got a shower curtain. It's called White Woven Stripe. And then last but not least, we just got towels. This haul is like kind of boring probably for you guys, but it's not for me because it's exciting. So I got 2 different towel colors for just to determine which ones are Q's, which ones are mine. So this is the Threshold brand, and they're just a 2-pack. This is like the same grayish as that, and then mine are white. We know whose are whose. Yeah, that's the Target haul. That's like, it's very small, whatever, kind of just boring stuff. But it's very exciting for me because it's just like more steps in the process. We went to Costco yesterday with Q's mom. We got some things that I for some reason thought I got gray accents, not like beige or like grayish. So we might need to return that because it's literally like doesn't match. That's the little haul, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you guys so much, and there'll be many more hauls to come. Probably almost in every single vlog, maybe. There'll be hauls. Can't wait. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.